Welcome back everyone. Today we're reviewing Printify. Printify is a popular print-on-demand platform that connects online sellers with a global network of third-party print providers. It seamlessly integrates with Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Squarespace, TikTok Shop, and more. It supports up to 5 stores with unlimited products, over 850 to 1,000 items including apparel, mugs, home decor, tech, accessories. Built-in mockup generator, Shutterstock image integration and daily AI image generator. Over 90 to 100 print partners worldwide. Choose based on location, price and quality. Also it works with major platforms like Shopify, Etsy, TikTok Shop, etc. Orders auto-routed, no inventory management needed, so you get low risk and free start, user-friendly interface, wide product variety, flexible supplier choice, competitively priced, and strong global reach. Although it has some downsides, like inconsistent quality, it varies across suppliers, some users report off-center prints or poor material. Slow or inconsistent shipping. Production is 1 to 3 days, but delivery can take weeks. Also, no phone support, chat or email support, they can be slow. No right label packaging, limited custom inserts, and users report issues with wallet lock-ins instead of refunds. But there are also high supplier saturation. Differentiation can be difficult, so it is best for beginners or small sellers testing POD with no upfront investment. Sellers prioritizing product variety, flexible supplier options, and broad integrations. Those who need consistent high quality and branded packaging. Sellers targeting fast, and anyone concerned about refund or wallet practices are not concerned with Printify. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.